So to demonstrate this, we'll use a different niche. So we'll talk about mindfulness and meditation as a method for reducing stress. And we can create a guide based on that we could potentially sell in the future. So you want to go out there and you want to find as many sources, good quality sources on your topic. So I've gone and I've found this one, mindfulness about meditation and getting started. So again, I can copy this and I can head on over to Notebook LM. I can click on Try Notebook. We'll go through the same process again, and we'll click on Websites, and we'll paste that in there, and we'll see if this pulls this in and gives us our summary. Now, you wouldn't want to do this just for one. You could do this, or you should do this with multiple sources on the same topic. So you can click up here and you can add another source. So if I go back over here and find something else, I can go to this one and see if I can get some good stuff here. We'll copy this URL, we'll come back and we'll do the same thing. Now, you don't just have to do websites, of course. You can do videos, you can do copy and paste text. And you want to make sure that you don't just randomly go and pick up any old article. You want to make sure that the article, is good quality content. If I were to create a guide about mindfulness and meditation, I'd already have a level of expertise on the subject matter. Otherwise, I wouldn't be creating it. So I'd be able to go through this content and, pick out the stuff that I think offers good value. But you want to add a whole bunch of sources up here, not just one or two. So once you did have a bunch of sources, and there's no specific number that's right or wrong, but again, you want several, you come down here and you'll put this. So summarize and organize this information for a guide on mindfulness for stress relief. And we'll hit this. So now we've got a couple of sources that it's drawing from. In an ideal world, there might be, 5, 10, 15, whatever it might be. Again, we've got to just wait for Notebook LM to give us a summary. And then we'll hopefully get some ideas for chapters for a guide on mindfulness for stress release. It's taking a little bit of time, so I might pause the... Oh, there we go. Okay, so now we've got this. How cool is this? This is a great starting point. Now, again, the lazy person would probably just copy these chapters and, subtitles and just use ChatGPT to write a guide.